When you're knitting stockinette in the round, basically what you're doing is you're knitting a spiral. So that can be a problem when you're knitting stripes because there's always going to be a little jog when you switch colors. You're always going to have them not be quite on the same level. It's always going to be a little bit different and a little bit visible. So here's my favorite method to avoid that jog and minimize it as much as possible. So first what you do is you knit one round of your new stripe. So right now I want to knit an orange stripe. So I'm going to knit one round and I'm finishing my round here. I'm knitting the orange all the way to the beginning of round marker. Slip the marker. And now what you're going to do here with the first stitch of the next round is you're simply going to lift the other color stitch here. You just grab the right leg of this stitch that's immediately under your first orange stitch, right? So you take it and you simply place it on your needle right next to your first orange stitch and just knit them together as one. There you go. There you go. And then you just simply continue knitting in orange to finish your stripe. And you just do the same thing every time you change colors. And you end up, let me just adjust this a little here. You end up with nice, perfect jogless stripes.